Welcome to our channel. Today we have one more Mpfi Gypsy with us, which has come for a major service with us. You can just have a look at this vehicle. This vehicle the customer has given us for the service of the vehicle. So there was a issue with the power steering oil. There is a leakage, and also full general checkup. We are going to change the differential oil, engine oil, gearbox oil. Everything is going to be replaced, and you can just check out the tires have been removed, and we are going to replace all the oils. That's the differential oil will be also be replaced. You can just check out the leakages, how bad it is. So everything would be replaced, and also we'll be changing the brake pads. Also we'll be adding brand new brake pads, and you can just check out the window channel is also been removed, which is going to be replaced completely. It's been gone. You can just check out how worst the channel is, and it's been rusted. It's going to be replaced. You can just check out this side also, the differential, there is a leakage, so everything would be changed completely, and complete overall wheeling will be done on this vehicle. You can just check out the back liner also. There is a problem. There is also a complete oil leakage in this liner as well as drum, so we are planning to replace both the sides with a brand new one. And we will be overhauling the radiator also, and there is a problem with the AC in this. It's not currently working, so everything would be done completely and given to the customer as per our requirement. We have taken 10 to 15 days of time for any kinds of Gypsy restoration, that's with service, repairs. You can just contact us on our WhatsApp number 9886679617. We are based in Bangalore, and our workshop name is ApexRoadandRace. Please like and subscribe our channel. Stay tuned, and please share our videos on daily basis. We'll be updating you all the videos, and we are also doing servicing for all kinds of petrol as well as diesel cars in our workshop. Please like and subscribe our channel. Stay tuned and watch more and more updates, and please follow us on our Instagram also. Thank you. Have a great day.